distribution networks and renewable energy plants. Distribution networks. Traza Plus is a complete solution to streamline your distribution network management. All asset information with just one click, customized forms for each asset and a comprehensive geolocated document management system. Save time searching with a document and photograph manager associated with each asset. Access all technical data or verify all substation documentation through its form. Navigate virtually through its facilities and take guided tours using the digital twin. Renewables. Manage all information and documentation for wind and solar plants assets with Traza Plus. Access all technical data, consult its components or view the associated documentation for the wind turbine through your form. Search for a reference, take a measurement, or check the interior of a panel directly on the digital twin. Do you need to know which owners are affected? Updated registry of customers, properties, plots, and impacted areas. Generate files, register flight easements, authorizations, network topologies, studies, and commissioning. Choose the map according to the task at hand. Bing Maps, IGN, PNOA, or Land Registry. Reflect the river basin and river flooding risk areas, wildfire affected areas, nature protected areas, and bird protection zones. With Traza, you'll have up-to-date, secure data accessible from anywhere, on any device. You'll have instant access to all information from project initiation to operation. You can free yourself from repetitive tasks, eliminating manual processes and automating incident responses. And you can reduce the time and operational resources dedicated to maintenance, increasing profitability and improving your company's efficiency. Discover how we can help you. Visit our website or request a personalized demo. We want to know from you.